Not only does Renegade Industrial provide a range of options for your ute and truck canopy needs, but have taken the next step creating quality canopy accessories, including this adjustable canopy jack-off leg kit. They've been specifically designed and engineered for the Renegade Industrial Canopy range and are incredibly easy to use. They fit snugly into the provided holes in your Renegade Industrial canopy, making a stress-free job of removing or storing your ute or truck's canopy. Then all you have to do is lift your canopy slightly, move your vehicle out of the way, and you're good to go. Built with durable, heavy-duty galvanized box steel with fully welded joints, this set of forelegs can support up to 500 kilograms. They have a minimum height of 840 millimeters, a maximum height of 1720 millimeters, with a max lift of 300 millimeters. They even pack away compactly when not in use. Now we do offer a black or white powder coat for an additional cost, but this one here is a special edition one for our awesome sales staff. These jack-off legs are a TradeTools exclusive product and should be the first place you go for your ute and truck canopy needs.